How to check your Oculus email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can check your Oculus email, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to check your Oculus email, all you have to do is simply first of all open up your browser, go to secure.oculus.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. When you go to secure.oculus.com, by default you're going to see this type of interface, where what you need to do is make sure that you're signed into your Oculus account, and then right over there you will find this option known as Meta account from the very top left of the screen. So just make sure to click on Meta account, because by default you're going to be under profile, so you want to make sure to go to Meta accounts. When you go to Meta account, right over here at the very top you'll actually find your current email address, as you can find it here. And right over here, if you want to edit it as well, you can just click the edit button next to it in order to edit this current email address. This way you can go ahead and then basically check your Oculus email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.